At first, when I saw this sitting on my desk, I honestly thought it was just another small display or decoration. But once you turn it on, this is where things get interesting. The image looks like it is floating in front of you. It is not something you see every day, and it definitely grabs your attention. Today I want to share my experience with the Hildors 3D Holographic Fan display, also known as the Persistence of Vision LED Floating Display. By rotating an LED blade at high speed, it creates a floating 2.5D visual effect. It is not laser interference holographic technology in the strict sense and cannot produce a true 360-degree light field hologram. How good the floating effect actually looks, how you can customize the content, and whether it is something worth having on your desk or in your room. The biggest selling point of the Hildors 3D Holographic Fan is obviously the visual effect. When you look at it from the front, the images have this 3D floating feeling. It almost feels like a small piece of futuristic technology sitting right in front of you. I really like that you are not limited to just one style. You can display different types of visuals like futuristic characters, animals, space scenes, colorful particles, or even some relaxing decorative animations. Depending on what content you choose, it can completely change the feeling of your room. I think this is the kind of product that works really well as a desk setup accessory, a gaming room decoration, or even something you put on your shelf or bedside table. During the day, the effect is still visible, but when you use it in a darker room, the floating effect becomes much more impressive. Looking closer, the build is quite interesting as well. You have the transparent protective cover on the front, the display area inside, and the speaker base at the bottom. So how do you set up this Hildors 3D Holographic Fan display? First, you need to install the application. You can find the app on both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. You can also scan the QR code in the user manual to download it. After installing the app, open it and go to the library section. There you can find hundreds of 3D videos. You can choose any video you like and download it. Before downloading, you need to connect your phone to Wi-Fi or a hotspot. After the videos are downloaded, turn on the Hildors device. Once the device is turned on, connect your phone to the device's Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi name and password are provided in the manual. Then go back to the application. You will see some default videos already available and you can play them directly. There are many different 3D effects and videos to choose from. Another option is the MythBuild UGC platform, a free community where users can browse, download, share, and upload different holographic videos. Simply scan the QR code included in the package to get started. If you want to upload your own videos, the process is very simple. Just select the video and upload it to the device. During the uploading process, you can see the blue lights circle on the holographic fan showing the upload status. After the upload is completed successfully, you can select the video and play it on the 3D holographic display. I also created something more personal and interesting. I made an image of myself and my cat, then used an AI tool online to turn it into a 3D animated video. After that, I uploaded it to the Hildors device, and this is the final result. As you can see, the effect looks really nice and realistic. It's a fun way to display your own creative 3D content. Another feature that I think makes the Hildors 3D Holographic Fan more practical is that it also works as a Bluetooth speaker. Connecting it to my phone is simple. Once connected, you can play music while the visual effect continues running. I actually like the combination of both because you are not only listening to music, but you also have something visual happening in the background. The sound quality is good enough for everyday indoor use. It works well when you are relaxing, working at your desk, or just adding some atmosphere to your room.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise in the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, you grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Of course, this is not only about the visuals. There is also some powerful hardware inside. The Hildors 3D Holographic Fan has a built-in 9000 mAh battery, which gives you up to 6 hours of playback. This makes it easy to move around and use in different locations. Inside, it uses 149 high-CRI RGB LEDs, delivering up to 2100 nits of brightness. The display spins at up to 2500 RPM to create smooth floating images, with a 298 by 298 resolution for clear details. It also comes with a 45mm dynamic speaker for a better audio experience. All these components work together to make the holographic visuals brighter, smoother, and more immersive. After spending some time with the Hildors 3D Holographic Fan, Persistence of Vision LED Floating Display, I think the biggest thing is that it is not trying to replace a normal screen. It is more like a combination of a decoration piece, a customizable floating visual display, and a Bluetooth speaker. If you like unique technology, desk setups, gaming accessories, or just want something different to decorate your space, this is definitely an interesting product. If you'd like to learn more or pick one up for yourself, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.